Assalamu alaikum. This is Yumna cooking creation. Today we are making cinnamon rolls, and for cinnamon rolls we require three things: the bread softener, the dough and the filling. For bread softener we require 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons flour, we mix it well for few minutes. Make a paste. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes and then set aside. In a pan, first we put 1 tablespoon instant yeast, add quarter cup of sugar and add half cup of milk. Then mix it and rest it for 5 to 6 minutes. In each mixture, first we add 1/4 cup of melted butter, bread softener, two tablespoons of milk powdered milk, half teaspoon of salt, 1 egg. Mix it well. Now gradually we add 2.5 cup of flour, mix it well. Add the remaining flour. And form a dough. Make a dough and knead it well for 5 minutes. Form a ball, keep it aside, cover it and leave it for 1.5 hours. Dough is ready for cinnamon roll. Now we roll it in a rectangle shape. Completing the rolling, we add the melted butter and spread it on a dough. Add 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, brown sugar. Now we roll the dough for the cinnamon roll. Make a cut with the help of thread and place it in a baking tray. Now we will leave the cinnamon roll until it rises for half an hour. Place the cinnamon roll in a preheat oven at 180 degrees and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Get it out from the oven.